Okay, students, this is part 2 of solving question 5 using Desmos to graph. In order to use Desmos, you're going to need all these ordered pairs written down because we're going to have to put dots on the graph and then connect them with lines. And in order to make sure you see this exact graph right here, we're going to need to take the data from the graph. So we want to start at x at 0, and if you look right here, it goes all the way through 8. So, but we want a title of times, and this time, did you notice it's skipping by just ones? So here's what it's going to look like. I want to start at 0, run through all my x values. Remember, this is the graph settings, not the domain. I want to go to 8, steps of 1. The title is going to be time in hours. Okay, now for my range, I want to do start right here and go all the way up to right here. Again, we're looking at steps of 1, but if I add 1 to 5, I get 6. So this one's going to start at 0. Run through all the y's. Remember, this is not the domain or the range. This is graph settings. I want to add 1 to 5 to get 6 with steps of 1. This time my title is going to be snow in inches. Okay, so this is everything I need. So go ahead and pause your computer, write all this down, and then follow me to Desmos. Okay, so here we go. Let's go to Desmos. Again, DESMOS.com. Hit the little graphing calculator button. As soon as it opens it up, you're going to want to go all the way over to graph settings. When you click on it, again, my little pet peeve is too many lines don't make for a good graph, so we want to take the minor ones off. So we're going to this time start with the title, and the title was time in hours. Started at 0, ran through 8 with steps of 1. Now the next one is going to be my title for my y-axis, and that was, oops, don't know what just happened there. This is going to be snow in inches. Starting at 0, running through 6, steps of 1. Now, once I finish putting in my graph settings, again, just click on the little monkey wrench, make it go away, and we should see basically our graph ready to go. Now, let's start with table of values. Our first table of values was 0, 0. Because it started snowing and it had no snow on the ground, and it snowed for 2 hours at 2 inches per hour, so that's 4. You look really close, you'll see my little dot there and my little dot there. Now let's tell the computer I want a line between them. And again, you're just going to kind of hold it down because I was trying to use my finger because I've got a touch screen. So I'm just going to go point to it and hold it with my left mouse button. I want a line. There we go. Now let's go to the next one. This one starts at 2, 4. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell it that I wanted a table. So table 2, 4, and it snowed till 3, 5. And again, you can see that it slowed down a little bit. Again, I'm going to come over here with my mouse, hold my little, looks like a bowling ball, don't it? Tell it I want a line. Okay, and now let's go to number 3. Number 3, let's grab a table. I want the ordered pairs, 3 to 5, and then it stayed not snowing for 3 more hours, so that'd be 6, 5. And again, hold the little bowling ball looking thing. Dang it, I did it again. Again, if you hold it too quick and you let it go too quick, you get that erasing the line. Okay, so I want to see my line. There you go. All right, now the last one would be from, let's see, This started at 6.5 and then it started melting for 2 hours at a half an inch an hour, so you only lost 1 inch. Okay, again, come over here, hold my little, lack of a better phrase, bowling ball, and now I have everything I need. Now I want to copy and paste it. So you go to Share, Export. There's what my graph is going to look like. I want to hit Download. Of course, you guys might be able to hit Copy and Paste from this point because I am using a Windows computer and not a Google Chromebook. That's what I'm going to look like. Yours might look slightly different. That's okay. And copy and paste it right on top of the other graph. Make sure to size it where it's kind of like fills in the whole graph.